Imperial gardens, the secluded sanctuaries of emperors, are profound embodiments of nature's elegance, intertwined with royal prestige. These gardens are not mere green spaces, but artistic expressions of power and harmony, meticulously designed to capture the supernatural essence of the natural world. Within the confines of imperial estates, tranquil ponds, stoic trees, and vibrant floral displays are often enhanced by spectacular traditional architecture, symbolizing the celestial order and the emperor's divine role in maintaining balance in the realm. Visitors to these grand landscapes frequently find themselves whisked away into a realm where human and nature commune in silent understanding, away from the bustling cities and court intrigues. The imperial gardens remain timeless testimonies to the desire for beauty and serenity at the heart of empire.